Hello everyone, I'm Shalini from Group 7 and today I'll be taking you through the process of ETL implementation. We have been given JSON files as an input to extract and transform data. Here is an example JSON file. We can see that we have a public identifier. We will be using this as a primary key to extract different tables such as experiences, education, languages, and many more. We will be using Spoon as a tool to extract data from the JSON and transform. We have created 10 different jobs to create the tables. The first one is demographic. Here we will be using JSON input and we will be extracting the selected fields. The extract demographic info filter out the fields which are needed by us, and the dummy table just passes the data to our table output, which is in turn connected with our MySQL server. Let us see another example of a different job, that is refresh education. Here also we will be using the JSON as an input with all the required fields. We will be using education extract to extract public identifier and education. The extract education extracts only the education field, and we will be using extract start at to extract the fields start at day, at month, and at year, which are nested. Then we will be using remove fields to remove education starts at and ends at to give a final output, and the table output is again connected to the MySQL server where the tables are generated. The next part will be explained by my team member Lahari.
So this is the SQL dump file. This query is used to display the table name and its row count, like how many rows are there in each table. As we can see, education has 169, experience has 273, and so on. Coming next, we have created different tables like demographic, achievements, education, experiences, and 10 other tables. So in demographic, we have a primary key that is public identifier, which holds different names of people. And the demographic contains of the personal information of each person, that is first name, last name, full name, and country they are from, city and state. The achievements and certification is about the certificates and achievements which they had previously. Coming to the education, it provides about the school activities, sports, and everything. Coming to the experiences, it will provide the previous experience and also it will provide the current occupation they're achieving. And coming to the languages known by the person. In patent, it will have the title and issuer of the patent rights. Next, coming to the projects, previously done projects will be displayed using this table, and these are the columns which are used in here. In publication, we have the publisher name, URL of the published website, and other items. So few people have done volunteering and others do not. So whoever have done the volunteering, they the information provided will be displayed. And coming next to the ER diagram, so demographic is the parent table which contains the primary key, that is public identifier, which has different columns. So here we have a patent, which consists of the issuer and patent number, description and text. Everything is attached to the demographic, as this is the parent table. So we have experience, certification, volunteering, which has the information linked to the demographics. So demographic provides the main information through which the other 9 tables information is being related. Next, coming to the data visualization, we have created 2 pages, that is dashboard and summary. The dashboard displays the LinkedIn profile navigator, where we have a slicer used here. So this slicer is created by using the visualizations and table in here. So clicking on the table, we will be creating a slicer and selecting whichever the information should be displayed. So in here I have selected the table and selected a primary key, that is public identifier, which displays each and every person's name in here. Selecting this person's name, it will here it will display the current occupation which this person is pursuing. And also, if you see this map which we have created using the filled map, is used to display the city and country from which the person is from. So if you select the map, it will show from where I have taken this one. I have taken this from a demographic table, and I have selected only 2 columns, that is city and country. Using the city and country's information and the public identifier information, that is A. James, it will provide me the correct location, that is city and country from where this person belongs to. And coming on to the next page, that is summary, I am selecting Adam Grant. Here we have the current occupation and the city and country from where he is being belonged to, as it is marked in blue. We'll go to next page, that is summary. So Adam Grant's profile picture is being on left corner. We have his full name, the followers count, and the language which he speaks, and project. As he has not done previous projects, we have only selected it is displaying as null or blank. This is the summary which we have provided for his LinkedIn profile. And coming to the experience, I have selected this by same using the table slicer. I have selected the table experience, and using this experience table, I have selected only few columns that I require to be displayed. That is, I have selected company, title, started the year and ended the year. So only these 4 columns I wanted to be displayed in my LinkedIn profile. Coming to the education, I have selected the education according to the same how I have done to the experience. Same, I have selected only few columns, that is school, degree, field of study, start year and end year. The certifications and publications will be displayed for the persons who have pursued it before. Coming to the dashboard again, I'm selecting another person, that is Alfredo. Same, here we have the present occupation which is pursuing and the map. Coming to the summary, as here you can see he have done previously the projects, so it is displaying the information about what projects he have done and achievements also, and the certifications which he have done, that is TOEFL and AI. So next my friend Prem will be explaining about the implementation of the live server.
Hello guys, so I'm gonna show you how the live server is gonna work. So basically, I have MySQL file that is imported to my website's MySQL server, where this is like a PHPMyAdmin, where you can manage all the tables and queries, and you can run the queries and everything. And this is actually the live website that I need. So basically, these are the profiles you can go through, and when I click on a profile, you can actually see all the details of the profile, where like you could go through, and there's a back button, and also if you go to another profile, you can see like all the experiences and the years with this. So basically, how I code is with using PHP and using like a database connection with this, and also some HTML and CSS, where it is all gonna work together. Yeah, so these are the queries, MySQL files, and this is code. And basically, I use to fetch all the details, and in there, if you go through, you could actually see how it works and how I made work, and also I used loops to go through, iterate through all the things. Yeah, so basically this is it. So yeah.